Discover your new favorite herbal infusion blends. Join me as I try to create the perfect herbal infusion blend that will blow your taste buds away. Herbal infusion blends have been gaining popularity lately, and for good reason. They're a delicious and healthy way to get your daily dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whether you're looking for a caffeine-free alternative to coffee or a soothing way to unwind after a long day, herbal infusions are the perfect solution. When it comes to finding the right herbal blend, however, things can get tricky. We've all been there, scrolling through endless lists of ingredients, trying to decipher what's good for what, and ultimately ending up with a blend that's just meh. It's frustrating because we know that herbal infusions have the potential to be so much more than just a bland, boring drink. They can be a game changer for our health, our energy levels, and our overall well-being. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to explore our channel for more captivating content. By subscribing, you'll help us create even more intriguing videos like this one. One of the main problems is that most commercial blends are designed to appeal to the masses, rather than catering to individual tastes and health needs. So we're left to navigate the confusing world of herbalism on our own, hoping to stumble upon the perfect blend by chance. And even when we do find a blend that we love, it can be hard to tailor it to our specific health goals, whether that's reducing stress, boosting our immune system, or simply getting a good night's sleep. This is exactly why it's so important to educate ourselves about the different types of herbs and their unique benefits. By understanding what each herb brings to the table, we can start to create our own custom blends that are tailored to our individual needs. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. Let's start with some of the most popular herbs used in infusion blends. We've got peppermint, which is known for its digestive benefits and refreshing flavor. Then there's chamomile, which is a natural relaxant and can help with insomnia. We've also got hibiscus, which is packed with vitamins and minerals and has been shown to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Each of these herbs has its own unique flavor profile, which can be combined in endless ways to create the perfect blend. Take peppermint and chamomile, for example. Together, they create a soothing, calming tea that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Or we could combine hibiscus with some fruity herbs like rosehip and lemon balm to create a sweet, tangy tea that's bursting with vitamins and antioxidants. One of my personal favorite blends is a combination of lavender, lemon verbena, and rose petals. This blend is not only delicious, but it's also a powerful stress reliever and mood booster. The lavender calms the nervous system, while the lemon verbena uplifts and refreshes, and the rose petals add a touch of sweetness and romance. Speaking of romance, today we're going to create a unique and easy recipe for a standout herbal infusion blend that you can try at home. This blend is inspired by the beauty and elegance of the rose, and it's the perfect way to unwind and pamper yourself after a long week. We'll be combining dried rose petals with some soothing herbs like chamomile and lemon balm, and adding a touch of sweetness with some dried honeybush. To make this blend, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: dried rose petals, chamomile flowers, lemon balm leaves, and dried honeybush. Simply combine these ingredients in a bowl and mix them together until they're well combined. Then, scoop the blend into an infuser or a tea ball and steep it in boiling water for 5 to 7 minutes. The result is a beautiful, fragrant tea that's both soothing and uplifting. The rose petals add a touch of luxury and romance, while the chamomile and lemon balm calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. And the honeybush adds a touch of sweetness, without adding any refined sugars. As we've explored today, the world of herbal infusion blends is vast and exciting, and there's always something new to discover. Whether you're a seasoned herbalist or just starting out, I encourage you to experiment with new combinations and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new things, and don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to find your perfect blend. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of herbal infusion blends. If you have a favorite herbal blend that you just can't get enough of, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more herbal recipes and tips, be sure to check out my next video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to explore our channel for more captivating content. By subscribing, you'll help us create even more intriguing videos like this one.